Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share motivation, financial freedom, and personal development tips. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube in 2023. If you are a new YouTuber who is struggling to get views and grow your channel, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you the best tips and tricks that will help you boost your views and rank your videos on YouTube. But before I reveal these tips, let me give you a disclaimer. This is not a magic formula that will make you go viral overnight. This is a proven and realistic strategy that requires hard work, patience, and consistency. You have to apply these tips consistently and constantly improve your skills and content quality. Now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you the best tips for getting more views on YouTube in 2023. Tip number 1, understand the YouTube algorithm. The first tip for getting more views on YouTube is to understand how the YouTube algorithm works. The YouTube algorithm is the system that decides which videos to show to which users, when, and where. The algorithm's main goal is to keep users engaged and satisfied with the platform. The algorithm uses various signals to measure user engagement and satisfaction, such as watch time, retention rate, click-through rate, likes, comments, shares, etc. The algorithm also considers factors such as relevance, freshness, authority, and popularity of the videos. The algorithm then ranks the videos based on these signals and factors and recommends them to users through different features, such as search results, home page, suggested videos, trending page, subscriptions feed, notifications, etc. To get more views on YouTube, you need to optimize your videos for the algorithm by creating engaging and relevant content that satisfies your target audience's needs and preferences. You also need to use keywords and metadata that help the algorithm understand what your video is about and match it with the right users. Tip number 2, do keyword research. The second tip for getting more views on YouTube is to do keyword research. Keyword research is the process of finding the words and phrases that people use to search for content online. Keywords are important because they help you rank your videos on YouTube search results and reach more potential viewers. To do keyword research, you need to use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or TubeBuddy to see what people are searching for online and what kind of content they are watching. You can also look at the titles, descriptions, tags, and comments of popular videos in your niche to get ideas. You want to find keywords that are relevant to your topic, have high search volume, low competition, and high user intent. User intent is the goal or purpose behind a user's search query. For example, if someone searches for how to make money online, their intent is to learn how to make money online. You can use different types of keywords depending on your user intent. For example, informational keywords. These are keywords that people use when they want to learn something or find information about something. For example, how to make money online, what is Bitcoin, best stocks to buy in 2023, etc. Navigational keywords. These are keywords that people use when they want to find a specific website or channel. For example, Ali Abdul YouTube, Netflix login, Amazon Prime Video, etc. Transactional keywords. These are keywords that people use when they want to buy something or take action on something. For example, buy Bitcoin, sign up for Netflix, download Amazon Prime Video app, etc. You can use these keywords in your title, description, tags, thumbnails, etc. to optimize your videos for SEO, search engine optimization, and increase your chances of ranking higher on YouTube search results. Tip number 3, create catchy titles and thumbnails. The third tip for getting more views on YouTube is to create catchy titles and thumbnails. Titles and thumbnails are the first things that users see when they browse YouTube. They are the main factors that influence whether users will click on your video or not. Therefore, you need to make them as appealing and enticing as possible. To create catchy titles and thumbnails, you need to follow some best practices. Here are some of them. Use keywords in your title and thumbnail. This will help the algorithm and users understand what your video is about and match it with the right queries. Use numbers, lists, questions, or power words in your title. These will help you capture attention and curiosity. For example, how to make $10,000 a month online in 2023, 7 YouTube tips for beginners you need to know, what is the best stock to buy in 2023, how I grew my YouTube channel from 0 to 100k subscribers in 6 months, etc. Use contrast, colors, text, faces, or emotions in your thumbnail. These will help you stand out from the crowd and convey your message. Test different titles and thumbnails and see which ones perform better. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to run A/B tests and get analytics on your titles and thumbnails. Tip number 4, hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds. The fourth tip for getting more views on YouTube is to hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds of your video. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial because they determine whether users will keep watching your video or not. If you fail to hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds, you will lose them and your watch time will suffer. To hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds, you need to follow some best practices. Here are some of them. Start with a teaser or a preview of what your video is about and what value it will provide. This will help you spark interest and curiosity. For example, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 a month online in 2023 with these 5 simple steps. Start with a question or problem that your audience has or can relate to. This will help you connect with them emotionally and empathetically. For example, do you want to make money online but don't know where to start? Are you tired of working hard for someone else and not getting paid enough? If so, then this video is for you. Start with a shocking fact or statistic that surprises or intrigues your audience. This will help you grab their attention and make them want to learn more. For example, did you know that by 2025, e-commerce sales will reach $6.5 trillion worldwide? That means that there is a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to make money online. Start with a story or an anecdote that entertains or inspires your audience. This will help you engage them and make them care about your video. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I had no idea what I was doing. I was making videos about random topics that nobody cared about. I was getting no views, no subscribers, no money. I was ready to give up. But then I discovered these 5 secrets that changed everything. Tip number 5, deliver value throughout your video. The 5th tip for getting more views on YouTube is to deliver value throughout your video. Value is the reason why people watch YouTube videos. They want to learn something, solve a problem, achieve a goal, be entertained, be inspired, etc. To deliver value throughout your video, you need to follow some best practices. Here are some of them. Provide useful and relevant information that answers your audience's questions or needs. Don't just ramble or repeat yourself. Be clear and concise. Provide examples, evidence, data, or testimonials that support your claims or arguments. Don't just make assumptions or opinions. Be factual and credible. Provide tips, tricks, hacks, or recommendations that help your audience improve their situation or achieve their desired outcome. Don't just state the obvious or the generic. Be specific and actionable. Provide entertainment, humor, emotion, or personality that makes your audience enjoy watching your video. Don't just be boring or bland. Be fun and engaging. Tip number 6, end with a strong call to action. The 6th tip for getting more views on YouTube is to end with a strong call to action, CTA. A CTA is where you ask your viewers to do something after watching your video, such as like, comment, share, subscribe, click a link, buy a product, etc. A CTA is important because it helps you increase your engagement rate, which is one of the signals that the algorithm uses to rank your videos and recommend them to more users. A CTA also helps you grow your channel, build your community, and increase your revenue. To end with a strong CTA, you need to follow some best practices. Here are some of them. Be clear and direct about what you want your viewers to do. Don't be vague or ambiguous. Use words like please, now, today, etc. Give a reason or a benefit for why your viewers should do what you ask them to do. Don't just assume that they will do it. Use words like because, so that, in order to, etc. Create a sense of urgency or scarcity for why your viewers should do what you ask them to do as soon as possible. Don't let them procrastinate or forget. Use words like before, until, limited time, etc. Use social proof or authority to persuade your viewers to do what you ask them to do. Don't just rely on your own credibility or reputation. Use words like join, follow, learn from, etc. For example, you can end your video with a CTA like this. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from it. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I would love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about how to make money online in 2023, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload new videos every week where I share the best tips and tricks for achieving financial freedom and success. And as a bonus, I have a special offer for you today. If you click the link in the description below, you can get access to my free ebook that reveals the 10 secrets of the rich that they don't want you to know. This ebook will teach you how to think like the rich, act like the rich, and become rich in 2023. But hurry up, because this offer is only valid for a limited time. So click the link below right now and get your free ebook before it's gone. That's it for today's video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.